total number of sentences uttered and noted down. Second, the students in the low ability group have a higher percentage. Okay, it's 19.8, I'm sorry, lyrical error, of use of Ilocano than those from the high ability groups of 1.45%. Teachers of low ability groups tend to use Ilocano to a greater extent than teachers of high ability groups. Teachers use Ilocano during modeling, giving illustrations and examples, while